Health Chat is sponsored by Buell Regional Health Foundation.
Many people express that they feel much more anxious or stressed during the holidays. This is a time when our mental health and well-being tend to be put on the back burner, but we really need to prioritize our mental health during the holidays so that we're less likely to experience that undue stress or anxious or sadness. If stress is left unaddressed, it can really move towards something more like physical and mental exhaustion, which can interrupt our daily lives and maybe even turn into something more serious down the road. So there are a few quick tips that we can practice during the day as we move through the holidays. One is to really try and modify our expectations. The holidays don't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Another is that we could simplify our celebrations. So just pick a few of those favorite traditions that are near and dear to your heart and kind of focus on those for this season. A third is very important, and that's self-care. So practice self-care activities throughout the day, such as eating enough good nutrition, making sure you're getting enough sleep, drinking lots of fluid, and one that we can do at any moment during any time that we're struggling is to just breathe. Taking these deep breaths in and out will get us through those most challenging moments. So showing compassion to others is actually another way of taking care of ourselves. Compassion is really about reaching out with acceptance, patience, and grace. And it's in those moments where we're feeling most stressed or most frustrated towards someone else that we can just really pause and offer them a simple thank you or a kind smile. And in that moment, it kind of resets both us internally and offers that person a sense of relief. So it's kind of the give and take. It's that joy of the holiday season where we're giving and receiving. Compassion can give a benefit to both of us in that moment. Knowing the signs and symptoms of when a person might be struggling with their emotional health or their mental health is very important all year, but especially during the holidays. Some of these changes you can be looking for would include changes in their behavior or their mood. So have you noticed that they're, first of all, maybe not coming to things that they typically love to partake in? So they're not coming to the church Sunday school, or they haven't been coming to work, or they've missed your Tuesday night coffee nights. Also, they might look different. So has their appearance changed? Someone who's typically more put together may now look more disheveled. Maybe they actually haven't showered in a few days. Maybe they're describing the way they feel. They could say how tired they are, that it's hard for them to get out of bed. You can see the signs with the dark circles. Really what to be looking for is to note that anything that is different from the way this individual typically moves through their day would be a reason to be concerned and reach out. There are many resources available to help individuals who may be struggling with their mental health or their emotional well-being any time of the year, but especially during the holidays. In Mercer County, we have the Mental Health Crisis Department that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with trained professionals who can take your call and walk you through either what you're feeling personally or what you're concerned about with your loved one. They can help you navigate the system if more supports are available, and they can potentially give you just information on resources, such maybe you need to know where the food bank is or what treatment providers are available. So with this information, we really hope that you take time to enjoy the holidays, that you find little ways to bring more joy into your own holiday and share that joy with others. So happy holidays.